My name is, oh no. Why is my mind blank?
Rafi, you can do it. Take your time.
I practiced all night. Why can't I speak now?
This is Rafi. He is a good student. He studies hard. But today, he has a big problem. He has to give a presentation in English. And he is very nervous.
Asha, I think I will fail today.
Why?
I have a presentation in English.
That's okay. You speak English well.
Not in front of people. My hands shake, my voice breaks, and my mind goes blank.
That sounds like fear, not a language problem.
Fear? It feels like a disaster.
Relax. Tell me, how did you prepare?
I wrote everything. Full sentences. I tried to memorize all of it.
That is your first mistake.
Mistake? But I think memorizing is good.
No. If you forget one word, you forget everything.
That is exactly what happens.
Instead, use simple points, not full sentences.
Points?
Yes, like small notes, just keywords.
Oh, that sounds easier. But I still feel nervous.
That is normal. Everyone feels nervous.
Even you?
Of course, but I follow some simple steps.
Tell me, please.
Step 1, start simple.
What do you mean?
Don't try to sound like a professor. Use easy English.
So, simple words are okay?
Yes, clear is better than complex. Step 2, practice aloud.
I practiced in my head.
That's not enough. You must speak out loud.
Why?
Because your mouth needs practice too, not just your brain.
Oh, that makes sense.
Step 3, use a simple structure.
Structure?
Yes, 3 parts.
What are they?
Beginning, middle, and ending.
Like a story?
Exactly. In the beginning, greet your audience.
Like, good morning?
Perfect. Then introduce your topic.
Okay.
In the middle, explain your main points.
And at the end?
Give a short summary and say thank you.
That sounds easy. But what if I forget something?
Don't panic, just continue.
Continue?
Yes, the audience does not know your script.
Oh, so they won't notice?
Exactly.
What about eye contact? I always look down.
Try to look at people, just for a few seconds.
That feels scary.
Start small. Look at one friendly face.
Like you?
Yes, imagine I am in the audience.
What should I do with my hands?
Don't hide them, use simple gestures.
Gestures?
Yes, move your hands naturally.
Not too much?
Right, keep it natural.
What about mistakes?
Mistakes are okay.
Really?
Yes, even fluent speakers make mistakes.
That makes me feel better.
On presentation day.
Next student, Rafi.
Okay, I can do this.
Simple words, speak slowly.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Today I will talk about the importance of reading. Reading helps us learn new ideas. It improves our language. It also makes us think better. First, reading increases knowledge. We learn new words and new information. Second, reading improves our imagination. And finally, reading helps us relax. In conclusion, reading is very important in our daily life. Thank you for listening.
Very good, Rafi.
I did it!
See, you are amazing.
I used simple words, and I didn't memorize everything.
And you spoke clearly.
I still made small mistakes.
That's okay. You communicated well.
So, the secret is not perfect English.
Yes.
The secret is clear, simple, and confident speaking.
Exactly.
Giving a presentation in English is not about being perfect. It is about being clear, simple, and confident. If you practice every day, you will improve step by step. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell us, are you afraid of giving presentations in English? See you in the next story.